to Nifty indicators, it's easy to make money. In this easy to make money, today or now, I'm taking an issue that sounds a little difficult. It is still easy to make money. There is no doubt about that, because market always gives us a chance to make money. There is no doubt on that. But the point is, for last almost 18 months, why market is stuck? Why market is not going up? Of course, we can give many reasons. We can keep talking about many different things. One of the most easy excuses from 23rd of March 2020 to 19th of October 2021, market had gone up from 7,500 levels to 18,000 plus. So that is the main reason. Yes, it is true. That is the main reason. But it is 2 o'clock in the night and it is not letting me sleep. I keep analyzing, keep trying to find out what is the reason. Why Nifty and Bank Nifty are not moving up for last year and a half now. You see, basically, of course, I am from a accounting background. I have spent more than almost 5 decades in accounts and finance. And fundamentally, the thumb rule for P ratio till a few years ago was P above 30 was considered overpriced and time to sell. P above 30 was considered overpriced and time to sell. P between 24 to 30 was considered okay for buying, but with a caution. And P between 18 to 24 was good investment and worth buying, period. So P below 18 was although considered underpriced, probably that must be the reason something wrong and need to analyze. This is what I was taught. This is what I taught. This is what I practiced and taught all over in last few decades. Now, as I'm getting old, probably the rules are changing, because in between we saw Bank Nifty P ratio touching 69, and a index, a major index had a P ratio of 69, and presently it's around 15. You see, that is what made me think, made me worry. What exactly is wrong? You see, way back in 2001, when Bank Nifty was just in the beginning, Bank Nifty was way below 900 on 31st of December 2001, when Nifty was above 1000. So Nifty and Bank Nifty's ratio was less than 1. From there, it has gone up, and now the ratio is much higher. Before going to that, as you can see in the chart here, Bank Nifty had a P ratio of 6.84. Bank Nifty had an EPS of 127. From there, we have traveled all the way to Nifty has a P ratio. Nifty's P ratio in fact touched 69, and then accounting standard from standalone method to consolidate, etc., happened. And now, although the EPS of Bank Nifty has gone way above 2,500, the P ratio has fallen below 16. Now, isn't it something to worry about? Why the markets are not going up? You see this graph. While Bank Nifty and its EPS is hand in hand, going almost up together, P ratio has made a peak here and fallen down. This is not normally seen anywhere. If you see any international benchmark indexes, other benchmark indices, you don't get to see such a thing. At least not in good economy, not in good developing or developed nations. So this is something to worry about. And my belief is that is exactly why our market is making the investors feel uncomfortable. And that's exactly why probably the market is stuck and not moving up. Something needs to be done. Of course, something needs to be done by the powers that be. Because you see, you and I can only talk. You and I can only do so much. We can only point out. We can only warn. We can only take steps at micro level, at our level. But we can't do at markets level or nations level. That needs to be done by powers that be. I hope somebody is hearing, somebody is listening, not just hearing, somebody is listening, and hope we will take proper actions, proper corrective actions, so that market can move up further. Take care. Thank you very much. Before saying goodbye, I would like to once again remind you, kindly subscribe, share, and like our video. It's almost 2:15, so let me say good night. Take care. Bye-bye.